It's a 2001 Dodge 2500 with a 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel engine. This is at Jones Ford. This vehicle has 117,000 miles on it, which is very low for a diesel engine, especially a Cummins. It is a 4x4. 12-year-old truck with only 117,000 miles. That tells you it doesn't get driven very far, very long. Very clean truck for the year that it's in. Good condition. Starts right up. 4-wheel drive and everything works on it fine. I've already checked that out. The inside, the back seats haven't even been used. It looks like front seats have been used pretty good. There is a mark on the middle console right there, kind of a little tear there. I'm sure we could fix. It's simple. There's the mileage for you to look at, so you know I'm not pulling your leg. 117,397. Has a perfect retro cassette player. These doors do open up. You can tell the back seats hasn't even been used. It does have rubber mats for those of us men that like to be a little bit sloppy. Helps make it easier to clean. Tires are in great shape. About halfway. The rear tires in better shape. Any more questions, please call me, 928-671-2423. Thank you.